I'm like, oh, I got this. And I'm like, nope, no, I don't got this. So I've ripped the carburetor off of this car because it won't idle. And I'm about to open it up for the first time. So why not do it on camera and see how bad this 30-year parked car, see how bad it looks. Well, come on over here. But leave your comments in the comments section and see what we're in against. Wow. Some cool old school technology right here. It's honestly not that bad. There's definitely some stuff in there. That seems like some kind of an accelerator pump. And it seems to be still accelerating. Alright, well, let's clean up a little bit of this and we'll throw her back in the car. Alright, well, this thing's been haphazardly put back together. Let's see how bad I did. No big deal. So I've learned that the bottom half of this thing is actually where the idle portion comes from, and that the bowl section is actually where the high speed is. Entirely different than a dirt bike, I'll tell you. I took this thing apart thinking I was going to be a hero, and this humbled me. Kind of everything with this 57 has been like that, though. It's just been humbling me left and right. I'm like, oh, I got this. And I'm like, nope, no, I don't got this. Ever got it. That's okay. I hope. Certainly find out. You ever have something like that that just humbles you every moment? You're like, oh, okay, that's not that bad. Nope, that's terrible. That's terrible. Everything's easy to get to. It's just there's no info on these beautiful little rigs. Nothing. So you're just left mystery the entire time. Everything on this car is like 9/16 or ½ inch. Guess that kind of shows its age, right? That's tight. 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 Big question is how much I'm actively messing up in the moment. Alright, well, let's bring it back in the garage, see if it's fixed. I don't know. I got it to start and drive into the garage, but as you can hear, it just doesn't run too well. Leave in the comments. Maybe you can help me. There's no information on these things. None. Maybe one of you guys can leave a comment and help a guy out, because I'm just going to go in the house and drink some sodas. I don't know what to do anymore.